या अगोदरच्या पिरियडमध्ये आपण ऑर्गॅनिक केमिस्ट्रीचा चॅप्टर नंबर 10 सुरू केला होता. त्याचं नाव होतं हॅलोजन डेरिव्हेटिव्ज ऑफ अल्केन्स. त्यामध्ये आपण इंट्रोडक्शन म्हणजे डेफिनेशन आणि हॅलोजन डेरिव्हेटिव्ज ऑफ हायड्रोकार्बन्सचं क्लासिफिकेशन घेतलं होतं. आज आपण त्याच्या पुढील भाग पाहणार आहोत. त्याच्यामध्ये क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ मोनोहॅलोजन डेरिव्हेटिव्ज ऑफ हायड्रोकार्बन्स हा पार्ट आपण आज घेणार आहोत. On the basis of position of halogen atom and type of hybridization of carbon atom to which the halogen atom is bonded, these monohalogen derivatives are classified into following 6 types. Number 1 is alkyl halides, or they are also called haloalkanes. Second, allylic halides. Third, benzenic halides. Fourth, vinylic halides or haloalkenes. Fifth is haloalkynes, and sixth is aryl halides or haloalkanes. These are the 6 types of the monohalogen derivatives of alkanes. Now we have to see one by one. That is, first is alkyl halides or haloalkanes. Primary alkyl halides or haloalkanes. In these alkyl halides or haloalkanes, the halogen atom is bonded to sp3 hybridized carbon atom that are called haloalkanes. They are represented by the symbol RX, where R is alkyl group. They have the general formula, that is CnH2n plus 1 X. They are further classified depending on the nature of carbon atom to which the halogen atom is attached. These alkyl halides are further classified into primary alkyl halides, secondary alkyl halides, and tertiary alkyl halides. Number 1 is primary alkyl halides. In these alkyl halides, the halogen atom is bonded to primary carbon atoms. We know that what is the primary carbon atoms? The carbon atom which is attached to another only one carbon atom, that is called primary carbon atom. They have the functional group, that is dash CH2X. They are represented as RCH2X. Example is CH3CH2Cl. That carbon halogen atom to which the halogen atom attached to the carbon, that carbon is primary. Therefore this is example of primary alkyl halide. This here iodine is attached to primary carbon atom. Therefore this is also the example of primary alkyl halide. Name of these compounds, they are ethyl chloride and N-propyl iodide. Secondary alkyl halides. In these alkyl halides, the halogen atom is bonded to secondary carbon atom. Means the carbon atom which is attached to another 2 carbon atom, that is called secondary carbon atom, and that to that carbon atom our halogen atom is attached. Therefore these alkyl halides, they are called secondary alkyl halides. They have the functional group double dash CHX. They are represented as R1 CHX R2, where R1 and R2 may be the same or different alkyl groups. Example, CH3CHCl. CH3, that is called iso or secondary propyl chloride, and second example is CH3CHCl, CH2CH3. In both these examples, the halogen atom is bonded to the secondary carbon atom. This halogen atom is also bonded to the secondary carbon atom. Means the carbon atom which is bonded to another 2 carbon atoms, the carbon atom which is bonded to another 2 carbon atoms. Third is tertiary alkyl halides. In these alkyl halides, the halogen atom is bonded to tertiary carbon atom. Means the carbon atom which is bonded to another 3 carbon atoms, that carbon atom is called tertiary carbon atom. They have the functional group, that is triple dash X, and they are represented as R1, R2 and R3, and to this carbon atom our halogen atom is attached. Where R1, R2 and R3, they may be the same or different alkyl groups. For example, CH3 3 times Ci. This is also written like CH3 3 times Ci. This halogen atom is iodine, is attached to this carbon atom and which is bonded to another 3 carbon atoms. Therefore this carbon atom is called tertiary carbon atom, and name of this compound is tertiary butyl iodide. Second type of monohalogen compound is allylic halides. In these halides, the halogen atom is bonded to sp3 hybridized carbon atom, that is next to the carbon-carbon double bond. This type of halides, they are called allylic halides. They are represented like CH2 double bond CH, CH2X. This is our halogen atom. This is bonded to sp3 hybridized carbon atom. This carbon is sp3 hybridized, which is next to the carbon-carbon double bond. Therefore, these halides are called allylic halides. For example, CH2 double bond CH, CH2Br. Name of this allylic halide is allyl bromide. Third type is benzylic halides. In these halides, the halogen atom is bonded to also sp3 hybridized carbon atom, which is again bonded to the aromatic ring. They are represented like this: C6H5 or benzene ring, CH2X. This is the halogen atom which is bonded to sp3 hybridized carbon atom, and this carbon atom is bonded to the aromatic ring. Therefore, this is the example of benzylic halide. Example is benzyl chloride. Fourth type is vinylic halides or haloarenes. In these halides, the halogen atom is bonded to sp2 hybridized carbon atom. They are represented like CH2 double bond CHX. This halogen atom is bonded to sp2 hybridized carbon atom. Example, CH2 double bond CHCl, that is vinyl chloride. Fifth type is haloalkynes. In these halides, the halogen atom is bonded to sp hybridized carbon atom, and they are represented like CH triple bond CX. This halogen atom is bonded to sp hybridized carbon atom. Example, CH triple bond CCl, that is chloroethane. And last type is aryl halides or haloarenes. In these halides, the halogen atom is directly bonded to sp2 hybridized carbon atom of aromatic ring. This is not the aliphatic, this is the aromatic. Therefore, type is aryl halide or haloarenes. They are represented like this: benzene ring, directly X means halogen atom is bonded. Example is chlorobenzene. Second part is nomenclature. Nomenclature मध्ये फर्स्ट घेणार आहोत आपण nomenclature of alkyl halides. There are two systems of nomenclature, that is common system and IUPAC system. First, we have to see the common system of nomenclature and common names of alkyl halides. For example, CH3Cl. How the common names are given to the alkyl halides? The rule is that first you have to choose from this example what is the name of that alkyl group. Name of this alkyl group is methyl, and followed by the word that is halide. Means they are named as alkyl halides. Here halogen atom is chlorine, therefore name is chloride. If halogen atom is Br, then we name that alkyl halide as bromide, and if iodine is present, name that alkyl halide as iodide. Therefore, CH3Cl, the common name of this compound is methyl chloride. For primary alkyl halides, we have to see the common names of alkyl halides, but there are again three types of alkyl halides. Then for primary alkyl halides, in common system, the prefixes like N, iso and neo, they are used. For example, this is the example: CH3, CH2, CH2, CH2Br. In this example, the bromine atom is attached to the primary carbon atom. Therefore, this is the example of primary carbon atom. But all these four carbon atoms, they are in a straight chain. Therefore, this chain is called normal chain. Therefore, prefix N is used. N, four carbon atoms, therefore name of that alkyl group is butyl, and for Br we have to use the word bromide. Therefore, name of this alkyl halide is N-butyl bromide. Second example, in this example, CH3, CH, CH3, CH2, CH2R. Our halogen atom is here also bonded to the primary carbon atom, but on the second carbon atom, one branch of methyl is present. Therefore, the prefix iso is used, and name of this alkyl halide is isopentyl iodide. prefix iso is used because on second carbon atom methyl branch is present, therefore prefix iso is used. In total this compound 5 carbon atoms are present, therefore name of that alkyl group is pentyl, and for iodide is used, therefore name of this compound is isopentyl iodide. Third example, that is CH3 CCH3 CH3 CH2Br. In this example also our halogen atom is bonded to the primary carbon atom, but on second carbon atom 2 methyl branches are present, therefore the prefix neo is used in this example. Neo, total carbon atoms are 5, therefore alkyl group is pentyl, and for Br bromide, therefore name of this compound is neopentyl bromide. The common names of secondary alkyl halides. In common names for secondary alkyl halides, the prefix SEC is used. For example, CH3 CHCH3Br. This halogen atom is bonded to the secondary carbon atom, and on this second carbon atom methyl branch is present, therefore here two prefixes are used like iso or secondary. 3 carbon atoms are present, therefore alkyl group is propyl, and for Br bromide, therefore name of this compound is iso or secondary propyl bromide. Second example is CH3 CHCl CH2 CH3, that is this carbon atom is secondary, therefore prefix SEC is used. Total carbon atoms are 4, therefore the alkyl group is butyl, secondary butyl bromide. Then we have to see the common names of tertiary alkyl halides. For tertiary alkyl halides in common system, the prefix TERT is used. For example, CH3 3 times CBr, that this carbon atom is tertiary, therefore the prefix TERT is used in common names. Total carbon atoms are 4, therefore alkyl group is butyl, and for Br bromide, name of this compound is tertiary butyl bromide. And this is our nomenclature, common system nomenclature for the alkyl halides. Next we have to see the IUPAC system of nomenclature for the alkyl halides. We know the all rules for the IUPAC system of nomenclature for the alkyl halides. Alkyl halides according to IUPAC systems, they are named as haloalkanes. Here halo groups may be Cl, Br or I. For Cl, the halo group is chloro, therefore the Cl in IUPAC system, Cl is called chloro, Br is called bromo, and I for iodo. These prefixes are used in the IUPAC system of nomenclature. For example, here one example is CH2 CH3 CH2 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 Br. This is one of the example, and how the IUPAC name of this compound is written. We have to see the rules. Here first we have to see the total 4 carbon atoms are present in this example, and for primary carbon atom our halogen atom is attached. This is the functional group, therefore select the longest continuous carbon chain. This is the chain of 4 carbon atoms. This is continuous chain of carbon atoms. 4 carbon atoms, the parent alkane is butane, and for Br we have to use here the name bromo, but this Br atom is attached to the first carbon atom, and the numbering is given from right to left because this Br atom is our functional group, and to this functional group minimum number is given. Therefore name of this compound is 1-bromo-butane. This is the IUPAC name of the compound CH3 CH2 CH2 CH2Br. If one of the substituent is present or one of the alkyl group is present as a branch in this example, then how the name of this compound is given? Functional group is Br, longest continuous chain is of 4 carbon atoms, and number is given from this right to left, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Then how the name of this compound is given? It is given like 1 bromo, 3 methyl butane. Here also we have to know the name of this compound is given in alphabetical order. Here bromo means B comes first and M comes next. Therefore the name is 1 bromo 3 methyl butane.